So i-Orlando Pirates ngomgqibelo iyodlala away kwigame yesithathu kuma-group stages e-Champions League. Iyodlala i-Ivory Coast neteam ekuthiwa i-Stade Abidjan. Ifomu ye-Stade Abidjan ayikho yinhle kakhulu. Isaluza ama-games ayi-2. Ishawa i-CR Belouizdad yaphinda yashawa i-Al Ahly. Njengoba iyodlala ne-Orlando Pirates, I'm sure ilindele iwin. So nasi ischeme mina engasisetha mase ngithola ithuba. Starting from the goalkeeper, siyamazi sonke bafethu uSipho Chai. Angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngoSipho Chai, uyena number 1 goalkeeper esinayo at the moment. And abantu abaningi abamnikeza i-respect ayideservayo, I mean. Because this guy at the moment eSouth Africa is one of the best goalkeepers abakhona. Masiza kuma-center backs wethu. Yabo ama-center backs wethu ngaqalisa uSesane benoSibisi. Le partnership le since kwalimala uNda iyona esisebenzelayo at the moment. Most yabantu bakhala ngoSibisi, but for me angiwabona amaphutha awenzayo eSibisi. Mhlawumbe indlela yokudlala, but le combination yalo budget abawu2 iyasebenza impela kuOrlando Pirates. Iyona esaqinile at the moment. Ngizwile ukuthi uXoki uzobuya anytime soon. So I expect uXoki benayo uNda babuye ukushesha because uNda early next year uNda uzobe sebuyile kuOrlando Pirates. Kumele abuye azosisiza nawo uXoki siyamdinga nje ungakapheli lo nyaka uXoki kumele abe khona. Bokule nyanga nje uXoki kumele abe khona. Because maningi ama-games kumele siwadlale. So i-center back pairing yami ngabe uSisane benoSibisi. Kuthi ma-wing backs, ka-right back ngingadlalisa uVan Rooyen. Kuthi ka-left back ngidlalise uMarco. Ngiyazi abantu abaningi bazongicrucify ngale nto leyo ukudlalisa uVan Rooyen la. Most yabantu abamthandanga uVan Rooyen kule game siphuma kuyona, ngazi indaba yini la abayibonile. Because mina ngambona edlala kahle yabo. I think kwi-second half la engambona khona engawuthi uyayilahla kancane iposition. But wabuyela umfana wakwazi ukuyidlala igame yabo. So ngingaqalisa yena ka-right back. Ungangitshela wona ama-comments ungaqalisa between yena benomonyana. Because naye uShanda, I think uShanda nawe usebuyile ejimini. Useyajima nawe uzobuya soon benayo lebitso yabo. Siyabadinga bonke labo badlali labo babe-fully fit. Silwela i-league manje, silwela i-Champions League. So siyabadinga be-fit. Kuthi ka-left back ngiqalise uMarco njengoba ngichazile uMarco wangidlalela kahle kule game siphuma kuyona. Uyakhombisa umfana ukuthi ade ahlala ngaphandle and uyafuna ukudlala. Yabo uyayidinga ngempela i-game time and ukhombisele last week. He was one of the best players abadlalile last week. Ngibengeke uzuyitshela ukuthi ade agcina ukudlala. Yabo indlela adlala ngakhona. Kuthi eswini ngizoqalisa uMiguel team benombatha. Yabo most people bazongicrucify futhi ngalento le. But ngingaqalisa le 2 le yo2 eswini. Uma usubheke i-combination yambatha benoMakehleni Makhawula, I feel like isikhathele. Yabo idinga i-energy entsha. Uma usubheke lapha eswini uma enza amaphutha uMbatha, uMakehleni Makhawula akafiki ezomsiza because most of the mistakes awenzayo uMbatha lapha udinga umuntu ozoqhamuka azomsiza yabo amabhola lawa alahle uyena uMbatha yeah. So mele ahle amabhola uMbatha, mele kube khona umuntu ozomsiza and I didn't see uMakehleni Makhawula doing that much. Ingakho kule game esiphuma kuyona ba-substitute okubawu2 kwafaka uMiguel team benodlamini center. So ngaqalisa yena uMiguel team mekhathala ngifake yena kuMakehleni Makhawula. Angisho ukuthi uMakehleni Makhawula uyaboza bafethu ningizwe kahle. Kumele siyishintshe indishi yethu bafethu. Sithi ukuyishintsha kancane because I feel like isikhathele indishi. Yes uMbatha ngingamdlalisa. Most yabantu bathi uMbatha usephelele uShatini and nami ngiyakubona lokho but I feel like uMbatha udinga umuntu ozokwazi ukumgada lapha eswini. Yabo uMbatha is a good player bafethu. Udinga umuntu ozokwazi ukumgada. You cannot replace uMbatha. Uma waso replace uMbatha uzofaka ba. You cannot put uMakehleni Makhawula benomiguel team in the same position. Ufaka abadlali abafanayo phela lapho. You need creativity lapha iqhamuka lapha and uMbatha uyakwazi ukushaya ama-forward passes. Yabo aye lapha kuma-forwards. So we need umdlalo onjengayo uMbatha. Yabo kuthi ngima-wingers ngaqalisa ka-right wing ngaqalisa uSaling bafethu udlale kamnandi kule game asiphuma kuyona adedlani i-Al Ahly. He was playing his first game since adlala neMagesi FC. Since saphuma kwi-Carling Knockouts uSaling ubedlala his first game since then. Yabo and usurprise abaningi indlela adlala ngakhona uyafana noMarco. Indlela adlala ngakhona ngazi ukuthi ade ahlala kuOrlando Pirates asube sithola ischeme kanti cha besanenkinga zakhe. And the fit Saling is a dangerous Saling. Abantu abaningi abayazi lento le. uSaling umefit ila dangerous khona. I feel like uSaling right now useyitholile game time, usejimile kancane neteam. Njobe sodla nje le Ivory Coast simdinga fully fit and into azoyenza lapha ngiyasaba impela. Kuthi ka left wing ngaqalisa lo mfana lo uMfukeng. Last game uMfukeng abamthandanga abantu because ucoach yabo I feel like most yabantu abali-understand ibhola. uMfukeng udlala as unumber. Akadlali njalo as number 10. Yabo irole yakhe ukuba i-left winger. Wing uMfukeng akwazi ukudlala as number 10. Ucoach be-experiment. I don't know why ucoach be-experiment kwi-game enkulu kanje. Yabo wa-experiment kuma-games like oChippa sidlala noChippa United. You can experiment there. Clear game leya ucoach waqalisa uMfukeng as number 10 which was very risky. yabo Hotho edlala as left wing ukuthi ka right kudlala uSaling yabo but ke at least ithi mayidliwanga but wabona kuleya game la ukuthi sasingekho creative because umfana wedlala as number 10 akayijwayele leya role leya because umudlala lapha kuleya role leya umakwa ngempela and uMfukeng wayenginayo freedom yokuthi ay express because siyamazi uMfukeng yabo kuyiwing une side long unesikhala sokuthi ay express lapha and wawusubona ngosikhathi sengena uDlamini wayesekwazi ukuya kuwing position afike enze lezi zinto zakhe mase yakhatha inashaya macross so simdinga ekuyiwing mfethu uMfukeng yabo kwischeme mina ingazingisi but angazi wena wangitshela ungasetha kanjani kuthi lapha we attacking midfielder yethu ngaqalisa yena bafethu uMaswanganye ngaqalisa yena uMaswanganye I know kube khona nama issues akhona insukwini abantu bespeculate ukuthi uMaswanganye akazwani no coach warawara uMaswanganye ufike ejimini ephuzile but angingeni lezo yabo mina umdlali engamqalisa as attacking midfielder Orlando Pirates yamdinga lo mjida lo uMaswanganye yabo asikwazi ukudlala mengekho uMaswanganye because uyena attacking midfielder esinayo kwela Pirates you cannot put uDlamini akakwazi ukuyiqala igame uDlamini umnandi impela but ngeke igame uDlamini so ngaqalisa yena lo mjida lo Maswanganye uthi unumber 9 wethu ngaqalisa uMabasa yabo uMabasa ngiyazi most yabantu abamthanda uMabasa bathi uMabasa ulazy but siyawadinga ama goal phambili bafethu wagcina nokor Maghopa wagcina nokubona igoli lamaGhopa elilegit the last time ngibona uMaghopa ekor igoli elilegit sadlala neMorocco if I'm not mistaken leli legit ke lela goal uMaghopa amagola wakora right now like siwona lamagoli la ongawajabuleli igoli nje cause yabo siyawina idinga lapha mfethu amagoli mfethu angempela yabo striker kumele score mfethu kumele score strike uMaghopa mase boxing ucabanga kabili ucabanga ukuthi aphase ucabanga ukuthi eqi ibhola lithathwe omunye kanti asiyidingi leyo nto ledlala iChampions League right now sidlala iChampions League we are not playing calling knockouts we are not playing nje MCN we are playing the big stage we're at the big stage right now so iyona mina lineup le engayisetha mase ngithola ithuba yabo ungangitshela ama comments ukuthi yipho lineup ongayisetha mase uthola ithuba ngoba ubona nje ngaqalisa uSipho Chayine kuthi back four yami kube uSesana uSibisi uVan Rooyen uMarco kuthi center kube uMiguel Team umbatha kuthi phambi kwabo kube uMfukeng uMaswanganye uSaling mase kuthi number 9 kube lo mjida lo uMabasa ungangitshela ama comments ukuthi yipho wena ilineup ongayisetha yabo